20 years ago, when I was sitting on the benches of law school, one teacher said that there is friendship in the law. I could not understand what he meant at this time. Now, after 15 years at the Brussels bar, I think that what he mentioned is that you're doing this job to assist, to stand by, to facilitate, and to help. And my vision of my job as a lawyer is basically to stand by my clients, provide them the legal knowledge they need to achieve their goals or dreams and hit the road and achieve success. The way we calculate our fees depends on basically two variables: our hourly rate and the total number of hours that a case needs to be won. One way to reduce the second variable is to work as a team with our clients, and we allocate the resources based on who does what the best. We, of course, provide the legal opinions and we know the law. But who knows its case better than the client himself? Who knows the perfect witnesses, the best supportive documents one can get the client again? By forming teams with our clients, we not only increase our chances of success, but we also usually reduce the total cost of a case. I believe that to increase our chances to win before the courts, one has better be systematic. So we have developed a method that we call the 6 checks or the 6 C's, meaning that we need to check each and every box before we deliver legal opinions or written pleas. The first 3 checks are to carefully review the 3 sources of the law itself, the case law, and the legal authors. Then, the 4th check is to work as teams with our clients to get all the supportive documents we need to succeed. The 5th check is also to ask what we call the policeman, what's his opinion on the case. By policeman, we mean any supervisory board, any legal authority, or even a government, an official that could also confirm our vision of the case. And the final check is that the world changes, so do our legal opinions, and we want to have meetings on a regular basis with our clients to verify that our legal opinions are still valid and up to date. Group of companies all have their in-house tax advisors. What about individuals, SMEs, directors, employees? They usually don't. We take great care in our tax department to democratize this tax knowledge, and we remember tax officials that no country is a real island, isolated. We are all members of a much greater union. Call it the European Union, call it the OECD countries, whatever. So we do apply this fiscal knowledge to reduce the tax burden so that each and every taxpayer benefits from the same tax advantages. Economic development is quickly moving to Eastern Europe, the Middle and the Far East. China is experiencing a 7.8 GNP growth rate, Qatar 6.6, Israel 3.1, whereas Belgium -0.2 and France just 0.0. We assist our clients in exploring those developing markets. By the use of the bulk tax treaties, we make sure that as of the very first trip, the tax savings generated by far outcast the cost of this prospecting expedition. We also liaise with local entrepreneurs, administration, lawyers, or any types of consultants so that our clients may right away be operational and receive all the needed information. Finally, we also try to make those business trips not real penalties but through human experiences with meetings and encounters with locals.